Next option is a percentage window where you can set the limit of Surebet size to inform you. Next you have 4 buttons: Start, Break, Search from Server. Start means starting the downloading of the current packet. If the auto option is turned off, it is necessary to manually press the search button after the downloading. If the program is set to automatic, the search will continue until the auto checkbox is deselected. Now I have checked the auto button. Another button, Break, interrupts the current packet downloading. If you want to stop from downloading, I don't know, maybe you will find a Surebet and want to bet it. Next you have the search button, which searches the current packets. And from server, this is experimental button, which means that you can download the Surebets from our site. You don't have to download, for example, maybe you have a slow connection with the internet and you don't want to download the data from your own. You can check you can push the from server button and you will get the actual finded Surebets on our site. There next is a security password with the remember me. I will tell you about it later. Here you see Surebets found and values count with the 2 buttons clear about it. Well, it means first one means how much Surebets it was found since the last clearing, and here is our Surebet bet for the statistical for archive. You can clear this with these 2 buttons. It is recommended to clear the Surebets found every 10,000, maybe 15,000 Surebets found. Okay, and now the security password. Security password is very important field when downloading ads from the bookmakers who require a login prior to displaying the odds. The program automatically logs in using the user's login and password. You can input those data by pressing the right mouse button over the bookmaker's name. For example, Pinlock Sports. Yeah, it will show you that you change login and password. If you press yes, you have to type your login and your password. I won't do that right now. Those security passwords will crypt all your data, your login and user and password to the bookmakers in a file, which can be decrypted only on your computer. X-System doesn't use any of this data. It's not sent to our servers or anything. It is not necessary if we are not currently using the bookmakers, which requires login in order to show its odds. The program will automatically ask for such data at the moment the download starts. Currently, the bookmakers who require login are Pinlock Sports, 2bet TSI, ABC Islands, Bet Game Day, Bet Jamaica, and Bet Royal. Surebets, and that's all. Also, I want to add that your password and usernames are encoded and are in no way sent to the bet-xsystem.com server. They are used only in downloading the odds from a specific bookmaker. They are saved in the passwords folder in the main directory of the program on the user's computer. The encoding uses the algorithm developed by Microsoft, which allows decoding of the data only on the user's computer. Next, we'll tell you about Surebets tab. Here you can see all the Surebets found by the program or downloaded from the bet-xsystem server. Okay, it is as follows. In the left part of the menu, we see the Start button with the auto checkbox. Both of those elements are copies of the ones in the first tab. They're present here To easily disable automatic downloading after Surebets is found. When sending the coupon the full bandwidth of your connection, speed is very useful as every second counts. Therefore, it is advised to deselect auto after hearing the sound prompt. After completing the bet, we can return to automatically downloading Surebets. And the next part of the main bar is the data of the currently selected Surebet. This data gets displayed only after double-clicking the left mouse button on our Surebet in the lower table. I'll show you. Okay. Now you see. This is as follows: date and time of the match, type of bet, handicap, over, under, money line, home, guest, name of the league, name of the first bookmaker, and you have three edit fields, which are used to calculating the odds and stakes. Depending on whether this is a two-way sure bet, over, under, or handicap, or a three-way money line, 9 on 6 windows get displayed, 3 for each bookmaker. Now we have 6 edit windows, because it is handicap. The upper window displays the odds of a certain outcome in American style, lower in decimal style. The window next to the decimal displays the amount needed to bet on the event. All three windows can be edited by typing new values and confirming them by pressing enter. For example, I will want to change it, and the sure bet percentage is automatically calculated. In the next part of the menu we see as follows: sure bet percentage, factual income of the sure bet, the confirm button, which saves the sure bet to the archive, or aborting the sending coupons. Default stake we want to dedicate on all coupons, and the tax edit window. Tax should be typed by every user according to the law in the user country. Every user is obligated to find out what are the taxes for bookmaking in your country. The lower part of the Surebets tab is divided into two tables, here and here, which will display all the found Surebets. The upper table displays the Surebets grouped by their uniqueness and events. This means that the Surebets which get displayed for the first time from the moment the Surebets were cleaned in the first tab by button clear, as you remember, always get displayed in the upper table in green. Displayed in yellow are Surebets found in the previous packet, and gray color reserved for all Surebets, old Surebets. And here, as you can see, is the old Surebets. It is the gray color. Now I will discuss the order of the fields in the Surebet table. First, a number, Surebet index, percentage of the Surebet, book 1 is the name of the bookmaker, odd 1 then odd for the home or over if it is over under, book X, name of the bookmaker used in the draw, odds for a draw, book 2, name of the bookmaker. If it is over under, it means about the under odd, odd 2, type of bet, money line, handicap, or over under, value of those bet. If it is over under, it means that its value corresponding to the over under. First team, second team, date of the match, hour of the match. You should always check whether the match isn't currently starting to avoid betting on such Surebets. And name of the league. Next is the archive tab, which displays all Surebets found and bet. And next is the matches tab. In this tab we can see current odds for all the matches in the currently loaded packet. Pressing the read button, displays the leaks of the specific bundle on the list on the left. You can click on it and see what matches are searched. Choosing the leak in the middle part of the tab will display matches currently processed by the program. Clicking the left mouse button on the specific match on the right table will display the odds present in the current packet. Right now we don't have any odds because we didn't do any search. We can also choose the type of the match, moneyline, handicap, or over-under, and then the value of the selection, over-under or handicap. Well, that's all for now. I explained you I hope every option of the software. And next, in another movie, I will show you how to use all those options for searching and betting sure bets. So, bye for now.